Hey everybody, this is a video tutorial on how to use Screencast-O-Matic. Now, Screencast-O-Matic is a screen sharing tool, so you might be thinking why is this useful? Well, you can use it for everything from lectures, tutorials, gaming, presentations, and more. Step 1, Google Screencast-O-Matic. It should be the first thing that pops up. Then go ahead and click on it, and your page should launch. After your page launches, you're going to want to click Record for free. It should then bring you to another page. Now it's time to launch the recorder. In order to do this, you'll have to click the orange button that says Launch Free Recorder. When you launch the recorder, you might get a pop-up. Go ahead and accept this. It'll allow it to download the program onto your computer. Now it's time to start recording. Once the program is successfully downloaded, you should get a box in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen with some options. The first option is how you record your video, so you can choose from just your screen, just your webcam, or the screen and the webcam combined. The next option is the size of the video. Now this is going to be the dimensions of the screen that you want the video to fill. The next option is going to be narration. Narration is talking through the video as you do it. If you don't want any microphone recording, just leave the box untouched. The last option is going to be computer audio. So if you have a video or a program running on your computer that requires your viewers to hear sound, you want to make sure to check this option. When you're ready, go ahead and hit that red button in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen that says Record. Once you're all done with your video, then you can go ahead and click Stop Recording. It'll give you a few different options. You can either save or upload your video or edit your video in their in-studio editor. Once you're content with your video, you can go ahead and save your video to your hard drive, upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or upload it straight to YouTube. Once you do this, you should get a success message telling you where your video is now.